How to transfer or save WhatsApp messages to your computer. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you on how to transfer or save up the WhatsApp messages into your computer. So without any delay, let's just jump right into that and let's see how to do that. For that, you need to open up your mobile device first and head over to WhatsApp. And when you are here, you need to head over to the chat from where you want to import the message to. For example, this one right here. So you can just head over to the chat and tap on the three dot at the top right corner. This menu will appear on your screen. So the next step you should apply is head over to more tab here and you'll be finding different options. So just go ahead and select this option called export chat, which is right under the clear chat, this one right here, and it will export the chat like with media or without media. So if you want to export it with media, you can go ahead and select with media. Otherwise, select the second option without media. For now, we are selecting without media. After that, what you can do is go to WhatsApp, select up WhatsApp from your menu and select up where you want to send it. After that, tap on the screen icon and send it. Once you will be finding this file on your chat, what you can do is you can open up your laptop and export it. You can just go ahead and save it on your device. To export the chat, only the application allows it. So you need to do it from the app within and then just head over to your laptop and just go ahead and save it up on your device. So that is how you do it. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.